Lauren is the mom of 6. And so therefore she knows messes as well as cleanups. And as she said, they installed this 2 years ago. And so I want to know first, as far as cleaning, have you noticed that it stains or that it is harder to clean with certain colors or anything like that? What's your take on it, having 2 years to tell us about it?
Okay. First of all, I love quartz.
Okay.
I'm
Why?
a big fan of quartz.
Why?
I like the cleanup for it specifically is one of the big reasons that I like it.
Okay.
It is not porous.
Okay.
So it's been already sealed and doesn't need to be sealed again.
Ever in its lifetime?
Correct, for the lifetime.
Oh, okay, good.
The countertop.
Good.
And it is not something that I worry about my kids doing science experiments, cooking, eating off of that we're going to damage or that we're going to stain.